Hi guys and girls, right, we're back on the workbench with the fowl. It's had its running in time, during which time it performed absolutely perfectly. So now it's time to give it a check over and a lubrication where required. Now there's so many moving parts, so I suspect it will need some. But an issue that's come up, and it seems most of us have, is that the the pickups can be a little bit slack to the back of the wheels. And I wanted to try and demonstrate the very simple technique for fixing this, but I'm having real trouble getting enough light down the slots and at the same time having space to work on where I can still see. But I think we might be alright here, so let's do what I do. 2 screwdrivers, both small, but the smallest one goes deeper down. The big one, what you do is you hold the top of the pickup against the base plate, so you're pushing that way, and then the bottom you pull out towards the wheel so that you can see the flex. See the flex happening there. Now the effect is, look, it's a nice firm contact with the back of the wheel. That's all it is. Just do that with all of them. You only have to do it the once and they'll be fixed. Yeah, it's a tiny niggle for such a wonderful machine. I'm also going to try and fit the details on this next, so I'll probably do some photographs as well and include that with this video. So hopefully that has helped those who weren't feeling confident about doing that to fix this very simple little problem. Alright? Hi everyone, forgive the handheld camera, but there we are. She's just had her first service and lubrication and I'm well pleased with that. Let's bring her back the other way. Pickups are all working now. Well, they were really anyway, but they're all fine and checked. I did take the bottom plate off to check all the gears. There was lubricant. I put a little bit more in and made sure the axles were done. Obviously the cranks on the coupling rods, they've been done, and you see that I checked the gauge and found them a little bit oversized on the bogie wheels at the front, so maybe that will cure my derailing on the crossover. Oh, hang on, we've got a crossover here, let's try it. Right, these points are really scuzzy. They're only just used on the test bench, which is mostly a shelf most of the time. I don't even know if she'll go through, but we'll have a go. What are we going to do? It's still going to derail. Funny, isn't it? There's maybe not quite enough pressure on that one. It's only ever so slight. Let's see if I can fix it, just for the sake of being picky.
It's fixed. There you are, through the crossover. No real issue.
Okay. Shall I tell you what I did? Yeah, I adjusted the gauge. Can you see any difference between this bogie and this bogie? Can you? Well, whether it's designed like this as a clever adjustment or not, I don't know. But if you loosen this screw, this weight can be moved back or forward, thus putting more weight over one pair of wheels or the other, or evenly distributing it. As you can see, this one is hard up that side now. That's what I did. I just moved that weight forward as close to the axle without fouling it, and that has stopped that problem. KR Models, if that is a design, a planned design thing, then you guys are experts. Brilliant. If not, it's one of the luckiest things I've ever seen. Okay, I'm just trying to let you see the fan that's in behind the grills here, but I'm not sure the camera is going to pick it up very well. I decided not to fit the front end details because I think they would definitely interfere with the coupling. I'm seeing it's a mixed traffic loco, it needs to work both ways. So that's done. So it's actually going to be split into 3 pieces, my fowl videos. I mean, she's going to appear in others anyway. but she's now super smooth, as you can see. Excellent. Alright, next time it'll be the fell at work and a bit of history.